Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this soft brown kind of dramatic look and with a nude lip. So yeah, please like and subscribe for more. So I did my eyebrows off camera, put the hair up. So next we're going to start on the eyeshadow. So first we're going to conceal my eyelids. So then I'm going to take this eyeshadow brush. I have no clue if it's focusing, but whatever. So then I'm going to take my setting powder, my airspun powder. It's like, I forgot how much it is. Just go to Walmart, it's pretty cheap. It's the best ever, I love it. And so we're going to apply that to the eyelid. So now I'm going to take, I want this to be a more dramatic look, so kind of dark. Guess I'll start out with the shade, this tan shade right here called Pukey. Whatever, that's a pretty good description. It's the color, but so we're just gonna stick that in the crease. Okay, so now I'm going to take a darker shade, deepen up the crease. I'm going to take the shade Buns. Next, I'm going to go in with an even darker shade, the shade Chip. It's just a darky brown color. Okay, so now I'm going to switch brushes. Gonna go in with the shade Soda Pop. It's really dark brown, almost black. Just blend, 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 so it doesn't look like you don't know how to do shit. Okay, next I'm going to spray it with my NYX setting spray. Now I'm taking the shades Meeks and 24/7. They're just shimmery shades. There's that. Okay, so now we're gonna dust off the excess eyeshadow. I'm gonna take my Maybelline, I don't know what this is called, up to 24-hour foundation. I'm gonna mix it with my Milani. It's my favorite ever. So my hands are clean, I swear, but and I'm gonna dot it on my face like so. That looks so light, I swear, like it matches. Then take the beauty blender again. Around. Okay, so next is concealer, and where the hell did my concealer go? Okay, so next, taking Maybelline Fit Me concealer. So now I'm going to blend out my concealer. Okay, so next I'm gonna bake. So I'm gonna take the same airspun powder. Okay, next I'm gonna do my contour. I just have this, I want to try this e.l.f. cream contour palette. I've heard good shit about it, so. Okay, so I'm just gonna take my other beauty blender and dip it in the dark shade. I'm just gonna blend it out even a little bit more. Now I'm gonna take my NYX contour palette and this contour brush and just put on the same areas. So now I'm gonna take this big fluffy brush and kind of then I'm gonna take this other fluffy brush and blend out the powder that we put on earlier. I'm gonna take that same brush that we took earlier. Take this NYX bronzer. Just apply it to the cheeks. Hi guys, so I just realized my camera died like halfway through the video. So what I did next after that was I did the Kiss lashes. They're really dramatic, which I don't really wear dramatic lashes. I usually do natural, but I just wanted to wear these. So, and then I did highlight. I used the Anastasia Glow Kit. And then I used the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. So, in the color Amazonian. So, yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.